Welcome to this presentation on the open economy. In an increasingly interconnected world, understanding macroeconomics within a global context is crucial. We will explore how international trade, capital flows, and exchange rates shape economic outcomes and influence policy decisions. Next yaitu introduction, definition, and characteristic of an open economy. One definition, an open economic is a type of economy where there are interaction with other countries primarily through trade in goods and service and financial capital flows. This contracts with a closed economy which has no international economic activity. Two key characteristics. Open economies are characterized by the freedom of residents to engage in international transactions. This includes importing and exporting goods and services, and buying or selling financial assets across borders. The degree of openness can vary significantly among countries. Next yaitu balance of payments, main components, and interpretation. Current account record trade in goods and service, net income from abroad, and net transfer, export of manufactured goods, tourist revenue, remittances, capital account records capital transfer and acquisition, disposal of non-products, non-financial assets, debit forgiveness, sale of patent rights, uh, financial account record international flows of financial capital, including floret direct investment on portfolio investment, foreign direct investment in a factory purchase of freight bonds. The balance of payments (BOP) is a systematic record of all economic transactions between residents of a country and the rest of the world during a specific point in profits, crucial insights into a nation's economic interaction globally. Oke, next. Selanjutnya yaitu exchange rates, nominal, real, and determination system. Nominal exchange rate, the price of on-contract currency is terms of under. It directly affects the cost of imports and the revenue from exports. Real exchange rate, the rate at which goods and service of on contract can be traded for the goods and service of another. It reflects the competitiveness of a country product in international markets. Exchange rate regimes, a system for determining a change rate, include floating market determine fixed figure to another currency or basket, and managing float it's with unique implication for economic stability and policy autonomy. Next yaitu goods markets in open economic, aggregate demand and imports exports, yaitu a great demand in open economy unlike a closed economy. A great demand in an open economy includes net export minus imports, thus add C plus I plus G plus X minus M, where X represent exports and M represents imports. Factor influencing export yaitu export are primarily driven by foreign income levels and the real exchange rate. Higher foreign income generally leads to more demand for domestic goods, and a depreciation of the real exchange rate makes domestic goods cheaper for foreign buyers. Factor influencing imports. Imports are influenced by domestic income levels and the real exchange rate. Higher domestic income typically increases demand for import goods, while an appreciation of the real exchange rate makes foreign goods safer for domestic consumers. Next, international capital mobility impact on interest rates and investment. Capital inflows when foreign investors bring capital into a country, it increases the supply of loanable funds, potentially driving down domestic interest rates and stimulating investment. Capital outflows conversely, if domestic investors send capital abroad, it reduces the supply of loanable funds domestically, which can raise interest rates and deepen investment. Impact on equilibrium. High capital mobility can force domestic interest rates to align with global rates, especially in economies with flexible exchange rates, limiting monetary policy's independence. Next yaitu Mundell-Fleming models ESLM equilibrium in an open economy. ES curve extension. This ES investment savings curve in the Mundell-Fleming model incorporates net export. It shows combination of interest rates and output levels where the goods market is in equilibrium. Simulationist equilibrium. The model analyzes the simultaneous equilibrium of the goods, money, and balance of payments markets under different exchange rate regimes, fixed, vs floating, and degrees of capital mobility. LM curve stability. The LM liquidity performance money supply curve remains largely similar, representing equilibrium in the money market. It saw combination of interest rates and output where money demand equals money supply. BP curve introduction. A new element, the BP balance of payments curve is introduced. It represents combination of internet rates and output levels where the balance of payment is in equilibrium. Capital inflows equal capital outflows plus current account balance. Next yaitu implications of fiscal policy in an open economy. Fixed exchange rates. Under fixed exchange rate with high capital mobility, fiscal expansion a rise in interest rates attracting capital inflows. This put upward pressure on the exchange rate, while the central bank must contract by increasing money supply, thus reinforcing the fiscal stimulus. To floating exchange rates. With floating exchange rates and high capital mobility, fiscal expansion also raises interest rates and attract capital. However, the appreciation of the currency that result makes export more expensive and import safer, leading to a fall in net export. This crowding out even can significantly reduce inequality of fiscal policies.